Yo, what's up, everyone? Today, we're breaking down the slang term CTFU. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, CTFU is cracking the up, which means laughing really hard. People use it when something is super funny online or in text chats. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. CTFU first showed up in the early 2010s internet slang scene. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people and meme lovers. Now let's check out how to use CTFU in a sentence. Correct example 1. I was CTFU after seeing that hilarious meme my friend sent me. Correct example 2. Bro, that joke had me CTFU all day. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said CTFU at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using CTFU right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. CTFU means cracking the up, laughing very hard online. It started in early 2010s internet slang, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with CTFU in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.